In this lecture, we will be customizing our restaurant menu. As you can see, this page has a big header image, a text block with some buttons and some text, our menu which we will be customizing in this video, some of the food items and services that we get in the restaurant of this hotel room. Also, we have a request a table booking feature. So let's get started with this. Let's first remove this because I don't think we will need this. Edit the page. And let's remove this block. So as you can see, this is the block. Click on X to delete this row. Okay, the row has been removed now, and now the website will start with our menu, which is something that we want, right? Okay, so our website will start with our menu, and in the next video I will be showing you how you can create an online menu. But in this video, I will be showing you how you can configure this menu. So if you go to edit page again, you will see that we have a list and a spacer. A spacer is used for adding some spaces in between the menu items, but list is used to add food menu image, text and a small description with price and a label. Let's change this into chicken curry. Click on pencil icon to edit this. Let's change it like chicken curry. Change the price to $10. Description: hot chicken curry. And label it fresh. Okay, so let's save it and let's see if it works or not. If you refresh it, you will see that the chicken curry has been updated with hot chicken and it shows a fresh label with $10. Let's change the photo. Again, click on the pencil icon, click on the image and add one. Go to media library or upload an image. So I am using this for now, but you can add any other photo and click on set image. Once you do it, click on save changes and update it. Let's see if the updates are present. Awesome. Now you can see the chicken curry has an image, text, description and pricing with the label. So let's remove others and copy this one. How to copy? Just click on this clone icon to copy it. Now let's use this spacer on the middle. Okay, now let's remove them. So as you can see, it's very easy to edit anything. Let me change it to veg curry. $5. Description: amazing, great veg curry, and make it fresh or anything that you want. Okay, so let's save it, and if you don't want anything, you can just remove it. So let's update it once and see if we have some new changes or not. Okay, as you can see, we have three, and it's chicken curry and it's a veg curry. Okay, now how to change the services that we get in the restaurant? If you go below the food list, you will see some 4 new services. Yeah, so these are the services. This is an image. As you can see, this is an image, and this is between we have a spacer, and below that we have some text. So let's change the text from international to organic. Let's change cocktails to drinks. Let's change, okay, let's keep it this, sea view to freshwater. It's upon you how you want. And then let's update it. And you can see freshwater, no smoking drinks and organic have been changed. If you want to change the image, it is also very easy. Click on an image and hit the pencil icon. Change the image. For example, you can use this one and save it. And don't change the width and the positioning. Let's change this one also. Click on edit image and make it save the changes and update it. Don't forget to update or else the page won't be saved. So you can see the icons have been changed. Okay, so if you want to replicate them or duplicate it, as I already shown you, it's very simple. You can replicate one by one or you can bulk replicate them. For example, if you don't want to replicate one by one, you can do one small thing. Simply clone this row and it will be replicated. Just remove the spacer because it will be double and update once. Now you can see 3 has been multiplied with 6. Okay, so our menu has been changed. In the next video, I will be showing you how you can create an online reservation system and online food ordering system. It's an offline way to order.